Have you ever found yourself trying to create a QR code in Pageflex for Liftoff, just like the one right behind me, but you weren't sure exactly how to do it? Well, watch this video and we'll show you how. Alright, the first thing that we're going to do before we even open the template that we're going to work on is to pull down the symbology.cs doc action file. You can find the description in the link if you're not sure where to go get it. It's easily located either in our GitHub repository or off our CDN. So I'm going to open this file real quick just so you can see what it looks like. It's really nothing more than a script file that goes out and calls a web service that's going to generate the QR code that we want to use. It's got some parameters in here, things that will be called up when we set up our document action for our output job. So I'm going to close that and I'm going to copy this file into our document actions folder that's part of our project. And now let's go ahead and open up our template and we'll go ahead and open up the layer we want to edit. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is create an image where we're going to want the QR code to go. Alright, so we have ourselves a nice square. And this is an important step. You cannot forget to do this. You need to make sure that you name your object. And we're going to name it QR code, just like that, no spaces, QR code. All right, now the next part's hopefully just as easy. We're going to go to our output jobs, and if you're using the Liftoff platform, you should have your JPEG preview, PDF comp, and PDF out as minimum base output jobs. So we're going to open up our JPEG preview here for a minute, and we're going to navigate to our Document Actions tab. And here is where we're going to say Custom Actions, and we're going to hit Add. All right, so we want to make sure that we're actually pulling from that symbology file that we just added to our project. So I'm going to click Symbology and hit OK. And then under Class, we're going to choose Pageflex Actions Symbology. And then there's a method in there which is called Create QR Code. So let's select that. Now under Arguments, this is where we can choose what data is being fed to it. So we have the ability to set that via variable. So what we're going to do for this particular test, we're going to open up our tab and we're going to choose that, let's say we want to use, we'll use email, which will be nice and easy. And then for our width and height, let's make it something, decent size, something printable. So we're going to go say 600 by 600. Okay, so everything there looks good. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. And that's relatively it. So what you should go ahead and do now is save your template and go ahead and upload it to your Liftoff site. And so if everything has been done correctly, we're going to drag this over, and I'm going to change my email to test@test.com. And our Pageflex image should, if you've done everything correctly, your QR code should work just like that. And it's that easy. If you need some more information on how this works or you'd like to talk a little bit more, feel free to reach out to one of your account managers and they'll help guide you through the process. But that's it. Adding a QR code to your project is just as simple as that. We hope you found this tutorial informative and have a good day.